Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk about the Festool TSC55 track saw. This is the battery powered option that comes with Bluetooth that attaches to the Festool dust collector or CT Mini. I'm gonna do a cut on with this real quick and show you how I use it on some walnut plywood and go over what I like about it and why I think you would benefit from getting one yourself. Okay, I've got this walnut plywood that I'm going to cut the edge on this for. I'm building a shadow box, and you can see I've got some little issues on the edge and some tear out where I'd cut it with my table saw before, and the roughness that I've got here. I've laid my track saw up here and going to cut a straight edge and show you how good of a clean cut you can get. What I like about this is it fits right in to this groove and has the adjustment to tighten it up. Sets right down on there perfectly every time, and I love the piece here that keeps the tear out at minimum. All you have to do is loosen it, push it down, and it engages. It's got a kickback feature which reads if the knife or if the blade is binding, it'll kick it off where you are not going to get any kickback. As you can see here, I've got my CT Mini dust extractor down here underneath and connected to my Festool track saw. What I love about this Bluetooth, which I never thought I would use, is not having to hook up a cord for the dust collector. It quickly turns it on. When you stop cutting, it stays on for about 5 seconds and cuts itself off. This is extremely helpful and eliminates a step that you would have to take otherwise. All right, let's go ahead and cut this real quick. As you can see, the dust collector stays on and shuts itself off. As you can see here, we have no tear out at all, a great smooth cut, and no dust. Okay, some other things I like that are features on this that I really like about this saw is that it has 2 batteries. It has a indicator here showing how much the charge is on each one. You can run it with 2 batteries or you can run it with one. With one battery, it has a little bit less power, but still does the job just fine for most applications. What I really like also is that it goes to 47 degrees, as you can see here, which gives you that little bit of extra if you need it if you're trying to cut some type of bevel. Here it has a stop, a positive stop. This is for using the Festool track, and this one over here where it drops down is if you're not going to use the track. That makes it very quick and simple to adjust this where you need it to for whatever thickness of material or depth you're wanting to cut at. And as I showed you before, I love the splintering guard here, which helps with tear out, and it's quick and easy to use, and when you don't need it, you just push it up and lock it in. All right, I think this would be a great addition to your shop, and I know since I've gotten mine, I've absolutely loved it. Like I said, they have the corded version, which I like the battery powered better. I got that for ease of use, and I'm trying to do something quick outside or something where I don't want to drag power cords around. I can also use it as a skill saw in that way. I think that you will love this saw if you get it, and I think it would be a great addition to your shop. If you're interested in getting this saw, click in the link down below and get yourself one. And if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and you'll get notified of new ones when I post them.